Armanaka, we say a very good morning to all our listeners. Forward
Yes,
for the first school day
Julu.
of the
Definitely.
first term of this school calendar
Right.
and singan di matak. Baka di binaka ni sa urutang ito tu bika membeletira and non relation. Ada binaka dem sa binaka elano.
Yada Manaka, Yada Manaka.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody tuning in this morning.
Ah.
We are mothers. A lot of mothers are waking up this morning and preparing their children and the family's breakfast.
Ah.
Kim nangono ko kimem sa terente kimem telanga. Ada bukan ni ada Mataka.
What about Dada?
Dada, daily routine. Kimem nga maramatina, kimem nagsunta kimem iti kung balat ni sa wala kasama taga nga sa tek mo na buli.
Some of you tuned by Daddy.
Yeah.
Alam, no. Don't tune by daddy.
Ah.
Tol wala kalau kim sayan ra.
Right.
Oh,
Wana na
yeah.
busur nga, wana na busur nga.
Yes. Even
Alright.
some fathers,
Yeah.
we mothers have to wake them up.
Oh,
Yes. Some fathers like that.
because you nga mama make them sleep.
No. Because they are sleepyhead because of grog
Yeah.
and watching movies, stuff like that.
So, as Daddy too, we help people, we help the mother. Not all of us, we stand there, we sleep, we
Yeah.
sleep head. No. We help you two people.
How? How do you help us?
We
You wake
help-
up with us at 3?
Well, we don't wake up with you with
That's
the
what I'm talking about.
We talk about we praying for you to help, don't lazy. Kami ang relyo kay mosulek kami ni mo niyan ratotolo.
Okay, you have a new kid at home who will be in class 1 or go to school this year. Kinder.
Yeah,
All right.
class 1.
Right.
Ako ilaw puna.
Yeah.
So one in class 2,
Yeah.
one in class 1. So it will be easy for me. Same school,
Yeah.
Nasino Gospel Primary School.
Ano na
I'm
po?
happy and they are happy too.
Yes.
They are looking forward to go to school
Yeah.
because they will be call each other Obi. And I told them, and my younger ones, my daughter,
Yeah.
asked me, Daddy, I want to go to school in that school, in Pune school.
Yeah.
Which school? That's National Salvation Army.
Yes.
I
Oh,
told,
okay, the
I told-
kindy one.
Yeah, I told my daughter, it will be closed.
It's
Nah,
no more.
it's no
Kami
more.
isa ko na
Yes,
bagsaw.
true.
It will be no more. So you will find another school next
Yeah.
year.
So all Salvation Army kindergarten school
Yeah.
are closed now.
Yeah.
Are
Yes.
closed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why they weren't able to go to school, my daughter, because she want to go there because it's inside.
Yeah.
And everything inside.
All
So they
right.
play there, they together seesaw and everything that help them
Yeah.
to come to school.
Right.
Yeah. So thank you to all the teachers out
Yes,
there. They start today. Some of them they will be in the mood of Sereki.
Yes.
Of holidays.
Yeah.
Some of them not in the mood of coming, but
Right.
Yeah.
the call.
The calling,
Yeah,
yes. The calling is there.
That you have. Some of us, we don't school to become a teacher. Some of us will
True.
become a farmer. But
Yeah.
the call that will be
Right.
differentiate us.
Yeah.
Na nakadi, na soli-soli, e baka tambakin do abekenda. That will help us to cater of what we need.
So Eli will be in class what?
Eli will be in kindergarten.
Okay.
Yes, last night he was lying in bed. He thought today is school.
Oi.
He is very excited to go to school.
Oh.
Right.
So before sleeping, he called me, Mommy.
Yeah.
Yes. Because he's a sleepyhead. If you call me Eli, and Eli doesn't wake up,
Yeah.
yes, you touch me like this.
Yeah.
What? You shake me like this, then I can wake up.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is very excited to go to school.
Sir.
Keeps on
Go
looking at the books
Yeah.
and the pens and the colors,
Right.
the whiteboard.
Wala,
He said, I want to
wala.
kala-kala. I want to kala-kala.
We want to kalkal.
I want to kala-kala.
Right,
And
right.
yesterday, Rusete was looking at his phone.
Yeah.
And then he was very mad. He was very pissed off
Yeah.
at Rusete. Rusete, stop looking at your phone. Go. Lagu
Go.
lebule. Oh, Eli. Lagu lebule sodi.
Yeah.
Magoro Rusete buka.
Yeah.
Seci lagu mentang lebuli dalam bola-bola.
Abango puna be abo. Abu babuli di kwati kunola kurni buli.
Yeah.
Sana barong ko mo class 2, you'll be going in class 1.
Right.
So if you want to go and visit the washroom, you go to the washroom. Sige ni lakay ka na baka Italia mo soro tungay tumba. Mga boy, Lako kere-kere be teacher, ni na lang kere mo na baro
Right.
taki mo na lang kere. Pabuli to ira ba ya?
Iya, tira.
Ni ira ra kila ni rangon nga.
Iya.
Ele mo na kan na butu be ira. So ra ka butu mi bang gitong-gitong ni
Right.
lang to bay lawa-lawa. But we thank them. They have the guts, they
Iya.
have the initiative
Right.
to go to school
Iya.
and help them to showcase what they been learned from home.
Yes,
Yeah, also
true.
I'm thinking of the teachers, especially the kindergarten teachers.
Yes.
Because all the kids have different backgrounds
Yes,
and different attitude they bring to
right.
the school. So na na mo sana kada mo tsumeta na renga sini buli. Ano po ko kilas do ta kabra luvenda.
Right.
Ano mate ni sini buli pata kena mate ni ambaki.
Yes.
But hindi na ko sunga.
Iya,
Dinasara.
dinasaran din na.
One year is will be in Kindi. Kaya nga be mo may nito nabwa.
Yeah.
Elia.
Yeah.
So every time kaya ni bakalilingaw kay kita dalang kami sa kambul. Samo de abang ko ko boy. Ay ko mo kuni ndaw mo de kurni buli. Mo kilala ngon ni kana. De la
Right.
ko kay ramay sa utin ba singalebu. Kay kilala me na
Iya.
kita mo sa kana to nangon ni buli.
Ngor.
Di na sara.
Iya, kake de program te
Iya.
So
kurni.
ano when you before class 1 you went to kindergarten?
Yes.
Ikaw Dems?
3 times.
Uy,
Kindergarten 3 times.
Mm.
3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old.
why is that?
Because my auntie was a preschool teacher.
Uy.
Auntie Taray. In
Uy.
Welatua. In Wenimbuka. Welatua Primary
So
School.
you went to Wanimbuka?
Yes.
For the kindergarten?
Yes.
Uy.
Kindergarten there.
Deli certo ni na so.
Why there?
And myself two times.
Uy.
2 times kindergarten because myself I was late born.
Yeah.
So they that time they don't allow late born to become class. You have to follow.
Yeah.
If you from July onwards to July, September, October,
To
November,
December, yeah.
Yes.
you'll be
Late born.
classified as late born.
Yes.
Never mind you born in that year.
Yes.
So you'll go in the next year.
I was late born too, yes,
Yeah.
December.
So they told me to kindergarten again.
Right.
Ikaw pa nga for next year, sa late born now, so you wait for next year. Next year when you were supposed to go to the
Right.
kindergarten, ikaw pa pa isuta ka tala ng mo polisu men do tala bagimuri.
Ito talaga maging men kasing-kasing.
Late born tu nga out na po.
Karena mata ni kindergarten, mata talaga ni ngone may bully tu. Wa kumi tu. Hey, no good to me.
Hey.
Hey, mga sa mga manu and everybody joining this morning.
Yes.
All the best to all the teachers and students.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. We love you all.
Sa herbenak to all friends, to all the parents tuning in this morning.
Yaram na kasi
Sa-
mo ni Banube,
Yeah.
sa teki uluindo via.
Herbenak.
Sama tiko mo kay Bryce Street.
Rewan ka?
Iyo, ano mataka ni Kuwa.
Rewan ka?
Ayos Ajit Singh, may Auckland. Sandi na. Wata kay Mika Ian Rasia.
Sa Paru namin kami tumbo so sa out sa baga nakatalungo sa rabakus ko sa may taon ni. Ano bug ni boli kay nabikay so may tira lubenda. Ano bug ni back to school. So tara mataka